Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And I am going to start a video tutorial series on this app which is known as Money Tree Robo Pro app. I have made few review videos already, but this time I would really want to create a series of videos so that you understand this app much better, and how to use it, where to pick up the patterns and things like that. So the introduction of this this app is something which some of you might already know this, and this is the version, but I'll just go through the basics of it once again. So Money Tree Robo Pro app is an app which has a lot of screeners, as you can see, which I'll go through one by one. This is the 2.0 version now. This app was actually launched close to 2 years ago, around that, sometime in early 2016 or something like that. I do not have the launch date right now. So the app initially started up with a lot of features. It did have a couple of issues initially, but the idea behind this was was definitely very good, because the owner actually wanted to create an app from which people can actually um, take advantage based on the trends. Now, what this app does is something which you have to understand first before you even start installing this. As you know, in technical analysis, there are so many parameters. And if you are a technical analysis analyst yourself, you would know there are some indicators you might be favoring, but some other technical analysts might be favoring some other indicators. Now, again, this is completely little bit biased too, based on different. So MACD, some people like MACD, some people like ADX, some people like RSI, and the list goes on. There are so many indicators, and some indicators might come in future too. I'm just saying, what happens is this app is designed in such a way that it has already the list of parameters. So if multiple indicators, or most of the indicators, or 80 or 90% of indicators are showing positive trend, so this app usually shows a jackpot buy signal, or sell signal based on the indicators. If it does not, if it does not, of course, it does not, it will give a neutral view. So what it does is it reduces your manual effort here in big time. That means if you are looking at one parameter or two parameters and taking a position based on that, then of course it's the same way, but this app assures you in a way that multiple indicators are showing the same signal. So your probability of going wrong becomes very less. That's one reason. So for example, if I click here on Ashok Leyland here, which is showing downtrend, of course this might be an older thing, so please don't take this as a signal. uh, so what it does is multiple indicators might have shown this in sorry, parameters would have shown a bearish sign here. That is the reason it's shown. It doesn't, you can actually get into the details and still know which all indicators are showing. There are other apps too from which you can get this information, but that's exactly so. There are so many links out here. The very first thing what you should do is here is, there is something called how to use, but I'll get to that in later videos. But the very first thing is upgrade to paid and subscription. As you see, I'm already a premium subscriber. If I click on it, you would see the features here. Now you would know the difference very clearly as to what indicators are available in free, and what available are in Pro and Pro Plus. So as you know here, 1 month subscription charges for Pro is 500 rupees, and Pro Plus is 700 rupees, this every month. Now there are some discounts which happens for yearly membership and things like that, and also if you open an account under Zerodha. So there are other things too. I'm not going to get into that, but you will get to know that. So here is the first thing what you have to notice and see what are the options available in the free version. So as you see, the parts which are not available, this auto signal live is not available in the free version. So this is a live screener. So screener EOD is the end of the day screener. All right. So auto signal basically, it's a live screener which you would get it immediately on the live market, and it takes the feed from the live data and then analyzes it and gives you the live signals. This is not available in the free version, but that does not. And the first feature, as you see, screener EOD, it scans the stock market after hours between 8 p.m. and 8:15 p.m. This is available in the free version, but the live screener is not available. The second one would be watch list signal. Now the watch, if you have some stocks in your watch list, then you may not get signals as such from if you click on the watch list. That again, that is not a very big feature as such, because you can always see the signals, and based on that you can trade based on the sectors, which I'll come to it when I speak about the sectors. Robo portfolio, this is the 11th option. This is also not there. This is basically, it works perfectly for intraday and to positional also, because it will actually recommend stocks based on the your investing horizon. So if you need a short term trend for intraday or for 1 or 2 year horizon, this you can, it can pick up the stocks based on the parameters. It does the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and everything. A lot of other parameters are there, which is not available in the free version. It's not available in the pro version as well. It's only available from pro plus also. So that means, hypothetically, it means that it's a very good screener, which one should have it. Again, that's something for really big time investors. Another option which is not available in the free version is the commodity signal, which is not available, which is available in the pro and pro plus versions. Customized screener, it's a live screener which scans as per your given criteria. So that's so you can actually, if you are a technical analyst yourself, you can actually put that only those scanners, and then find out whether that's that what are these indicators showing. So again, that's not available in the free version, but it's available in the pro and pro plus versions. The 18th option here, tools like bullish candle engulfing, open high low, positional buy, swing buy, etc. This can be filters from the sectors. Again, you can go to the sectors and get this information yourself, but on the free version you would not find this feature as such. Auto signal, most common feature, filters common. Again, the 19th option, this is also not available here. And special screener, easy to find a jackpot intraday, short term downtrend, uptrend from any sector. You can definitely go to the sector and get this information, but the special screener to easily find it out is not available in the free version. Again, as I told you, these are some of the things which are not available in the free version. It just means that you would have to get a little more comfortable feature as such, most of the features. So and there are few more here. So this is the first thing which you should notice it. What I would say here is download this version. There would be a link below in the description, and you can actually see how to use and things like that, and my video series will definitely help you on it. So this is the feature comparison, which is very important for you to use. And then if you think that you might need to use some additional features, these features which are not available on the free versions, then you can put it. But then initially I would say to just install it and see how it goes. And then there is an option called how to use, which I will talk about in the next few parts of the videos, and then continue these web series. So hope you enjoyed the first part, introduction to Money Tree Robo Pro 2.0, and wait for my next part, and I will give more information on that, how to use the additional features, etc. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next part.